Every single day, millions of perfectly shaped potato crisps roll off these massive production lines. This is the hidden science, automation, and precision engineering behind the global production of Pringles-style potato crisps. Unlike traditional potato chips, these crisps begin with a precisely engineered blend of dehydrated potatoes, starches, and specialty ingredients. Every batch must achieve exact consistency, texture, and moisture levels before entering the shaping process. Precision shaping technology allows every crisp to maintain nearly identical size and structure. The famous saddle-shaped curve is carefully engineered to maximize strength, stackability, and texture.
Precise frying temperatures and timing create the crisp texture and flavor recognized worldwide.
Advanced flavor systems ensure each crisp receives perfectly balanced seasoning coverage. Every can is sealed to preserve freshness while protecting the delicate crisps during global transportation. Within hours, millions of cans begin their journey to stores and households across the planet. Behind every crisp lies a global industrial system producing millions of perfectly identical snacks every single day.
Subscribe for more cinematic documentaries exploring the world's most advanced factories, engineering systems, industrial megaprojects, and hidden manufacturing technologies.